Let us start with the new exercise. The dimensions are given as length 30 meter, the breadth is 25 and the height is 18, and you have to find the cost of painting. So before finding because it's given per meter square at the rate of rupees 12 per meter square. So that means you have to find the area of it because it's in meter square. So first let us find out the TSM is the total surface area of because this dimension is in the rectangular this box. So this is the cuboid. So the formula for the cuboid is the total surface area of cuboid. This is the formula. So now let us plug in these values, the length, breadth and height. So this is how to remember this formula. So length into breadth. Now this is ending with B. So this is going to be B into H because see length, breadth and height. First this and this, then this and this, and the last one will be L into H. So this is easy way to remember, and this will be 2, and this whole thing in the bracket. So once this is done, plug in the values, the length, breadth and height are given. So after plugging in the values, you get this as 2 into, add this one, so 1740, so 2 into 1740, which will be 3480 meters square. So the total cost, they want the total cost will be the total surface area into the rate. So total surface area is 3480 and the rate is given as 12 per meter square. So the cost is rupees 41,760. The next one, the dimensions of the wall are given as the length is given as 150, the breadth is given as 25, and the height is given as 6. So we have to find the cost of whitewashing its 4 walls and roof. Walls and the roof, we have to find the cost of the walls and the roof at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, and also you have to find the cost of polishing its floor at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. So now let us find the first thing, the area of the walls. So this is in the for this area of the walls, we can write here twice into length into height plus breadth into height. So the dimensions are given here after plugging in the dimensions here. So we get 2 into this one 1050, that is going to be 2100 meter square. So this is the area of the walls. So the area of the roof, the roof will be in the form of a rectangle. So the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So again, you know what is the length and what is the breadth of it. So we get here 3750 meter square. So total area to be whitewashed. So that is going to be 2100 plus this one 3750, which is 5850 meter square. So cost of whitewashing walls and roof, that is going to be 5850 into that the cost is given as 20 per meter square. So you have to multiply this by rate. So this is 20. So which will be 117000 rupees. So now also they have asked for the cost of polishing its floor at the rate of 40 per meter square. So first thing you should know what is the area of the floor. So area of the floor, because it will be of course in the form of a rectangle, that is the length into width, or you can also write here length into breadth. But since it is given wide, so let us write here W, that will be more better. So length into this 25, which will be 3750 meter square. So cost of polishing the floor will be this one area into the rate. So this area is 3750 and the rate is given as 40 per meter square multiplied by 40, which will be 150. That will be 1,50,000. Now the next one, find the side of a cube whose total surface area is 3750 meter square. So the total surface area, the formula for this is a cube. So the formula for the total surface area of cube is 6 square. So this is the important step. And this is total surface area is given as 3750. So below this you will write here 3750 is 6 s square. So this is multiplication. So this will go on the other side, that will get divided, that will be s square. So after simplifying this, we get this as 625, that is s square. So s is going to be, we take the root on both the sides. So this is the perfect square. So that is going to be 25 into 25 is 625. So s will going to be 25 meters. So we can say side of a cube is 25 meter. Harshit painted the outer surface of a cuboidal box. The dimensions are given 8 meter into 7.5 meter into 6 meter. And you have to find the surface area painted of if you did not paint the bottom of the box. So here, these are the dimensions given. Now since here, they have asked for the surface area the painted by him, and you don't have to include the bottom of the box. So here we'll take the TSA of box. So this is twice into LB plus BH plus LH. So once again I'll repeat how to remember this formula, that is LB, this into this, and then this into this one. So twice into LB plus BH plus LH. So once this is done, so try to plug in these values, the proper dimensions, and you have to recheck this step whether these dimensions are right. Now this 2 into this you have to multiply. After multiplying this one, add together 153, and this multiplied together, that will be 306 meters square. So now we have to find the area of the bottom. Area of the bottom, which is in the form of a rectangle, so length into breadth. So that length is 8 and this breadth is 7.5, which is going to be 60 meters square. So now we have to find the painted surface area. So since we don't have to include the bottom, so what will you do? TSA of box minus, we have to subtract the bottom minus area of this bottom. So we got this 306 minus here 60, which will be 246 meter square. Consider the following figures. Which shape requires more cardboard to make and by how much? Now this is the figure given. So now we'll consider this as cuboid A and this is B. So now let us find out that this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height of it. So this is given. So cuboid B, this is all 60. So this will write here A as 60 because it is in the form of a square. So TSA of cuboid A, so we have seen the formula before, that is twice into LB plus BH plus LH. So we have to plug in these values in this one. After that, multiply. So that is going to be 10700. So multiply this and this together. So that will be 21,400. And this is given in centimeters. So that is going to be centimeter square because that is the area. So TSA of cube P. So now say this is in the form of a square. So this is in the form of a, that is a TSA of cube B, that will be 6a square. Because this is a cuboid, so that is, this is the formula, and this is in the form of a cube, so that will be 6a square. So 6 into, now all this is in 60, so that we will take that a, that is the age, that is 60 square. So this is going to be 3,600 into 6, which will be 21,600. So now you can compare this one. This is 21,400. This is 21,600. So what we can do, after subtracting this, taking the difference of it, we get 200 centimeters square. So we can say cube B requires more cardboard by 200 because this one, the area of cube B is more. So by how much? That is 200 centimeter square. Now let us see the next one. I have already pasted over here. So this will consider this cylinder A, and this we can consider this as cube B, because why this is a cube? Because all the dimensions are the same. So cylinder A, this is given as 7 means, now this is given as 7 means this is the diameter, so radius will be the half of it, which is going to be 3.5 centimeter, and this is the height of it. And the cube B, this is, we can consider this A as 7. So now let us take the couch surface area of cylinder, which is the formula for that, that is, this you have to remember, 2 pi r, and in the bracket you have to write h plus r. So now we'll consider for the pi value as 22 by 7 r, we have this one as 3.5, this h we have, this is 7, and this r is 3.5. So we can simplify here. So after multiplying this, we get as 22, and this will be 10.5. So this together, that is going to be 231 centimeters square. And then TSA of cube, so that is, because it's a cube, so that the formula is going to be 6a square. This 6 into the a, this is 7, so 7 square, this will be 49, 6 into 49, which is going to be 294 centimeters square. So now we will compare this and this one. So definitely this 294 is bigger, but by how much? They have asked by how much. So 294 minus 231, that is 63 centimeters square. So we can say cube B requires more cardboard by 63 centimeter square.